Look at what we got here. Oh, yeah. Finally here. Woo-woo. Those just go there. We're gonna go over here to the table. All right, can any of you guys guess what it is? You got 3 seconds. Well, I think by the title and the thumbnail, you know what it is, so I'm just gonna unbox it. Get down to business. Wait, I'm right-handed. Gotta do this right-handed. Hold on a minute. Hold on. There we go. Much better. I'm a genius. Yeah, come on. So excited. Finally decided, wow. Finally decided it was time to do a little upgrading, so that's exactly what I did. Yeah, look at that. Woo! Oh, these are awesome. Here we go. Extra battery. The head mounting clip. SD card. The shorty tripod and pole thing. And of course, here she is. GoPro Hero 8. Hey-o. Yeah, these things. You know these things? Wow, that was really lame. I was expecting that to be a lot louder. All right, so here is everything. Just gotta unwrap it still and get down to charging everything and getting everything all set up. But I just thought it was kind of time. Honestly, long overdue for an upgrade. I still had the Hero 4. That was the first camera I ever bought like 3 years ago. That's kind of what got me into starting like vlogging and filming and taking pictures and all that fun stuff. So I figured, you know, GoPro had this awesome deal. It's $150 off this package. It was just under $400 shipped directly to my house. So I figured, you know, now's the perfect time to get the upgrade, and we're gonna have some fun with this. We're gonna keep on making some videos, keep on taking photos with this, you know, get a little rough with it and push it to its limits. That's what GoPros are made for. So yeah, when I'm on charge, I'm gonna unbox everything, take the plastic off and charge things up. And here is what we are left with. The camera itself, the head mount, whatever those things are, the screws for it, charger cable, 2 batteries, the grip for it, and then the clip. All right, well, that's gonna do it for this quick unboxing and keep it nice, short, and simple for you guys. That's all that I have for you today. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and want to support me and see more awesome stuff coming from my channel, make sure to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button. So, without further ado, we'll see you guys in the next one.